Hi guys, this is Tariq again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the markets.com web trader, which is powered by forex, which is offered by a company called Leverit. Now the markets.com web trader is a very useful application. You can trade directly from your browser. Therefore, for those of you who are using a Linux-based operating system, this is a very handy feature to trade forex online. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get started with trading on the markets.com web trader. Now I'm making use of the practice account, but this works as well for live accounts as well. So as you can see, the markets.com web trader basically has the screen that you're looking at. You have the top section, which gives you the time, language, your account number, and a couple of other options. You can click on deposit, which would take you to the my accounts page and make a deposit, and you can also see your account snapshot, which is the open, profit loss, the balance, equity, margin, and other such features. So now let's take a look at each of the screens that we have here. This is the first screen, and this basically gives you a list of the instruments that are available to trade. As you can see, there are many instruments for you to trade, but we don't want all this, do we? Some of you might like to trade only Euro USD pairs, or maybe just gold and silver, or maybe oil. So in order to do that, what you can do is click on the star icons to add them to your favorites. Now let's add a couple of currency pairs to our favorites. Let's say we would like to add Euro GBP, which is already added, Euro JPY, Euro CAD. Let's go to a couple of other instruments. Let's select USD SEK and silver and gold. Now the next time you access, you just click on this select button and choose favorites, and here you have it, all your favorite instruments only displayed. You could click on settings to show more information, and as you can see, you have the instrument name, the bid and ask price, high, low, and the current time. So let's switch this back to only the bid and ask price. If you click on the icon, it basically shows you the details for that particular instrument. As you can see, for the Euro CAD, you have the details, the minimum lot size, stop level, and so on. Now you could also switch to the cubes view, and here you have the list of all your instruments, and you can just trade directly from here. Make sure to check one-click trading, so it's much easier for you to trade. And as you can see here, you have the instrument, the order that is currently open. You can click on edit to set up your stop loss and your take profits, and you can update it accordingly. The second box that we're looking at today is the main display box, which basically has order, pending order, social trading, and the trends. Now let's take a look at the order, from where you can select the instrument that you want to trade. Let's select silver, trade one lot, and let's click sell. And as you can see, the orders are displayed here in this window under the open positions. Pending orders is where you can input pending orders at buy limit or sell limit. It works pretty much the same way as you would be placing a pending order on the MT4 trading platform. And you can also set up the expiry date, wherein if your order isn't filled by a particular date, it automatically expires. Social trading is a very interesting concept. It allows you to follow other traders, and it also allows you to copy the trades. Let's take a look at this later stage. The trends basically gives you an idea of what all the other traders are doing on the markets.com platform. So for Euro USD, you have 45% that is sell and 55% buy. Let's give it a spin and place a buy on Euro USD. Order timed out. Let's try again. Okay, there seems to be some kind of problem with my internet connection here. So let's move on to the third box, which is basically the historical charts and the real-time charts. You can click on the icon to maximize it, and you can basically get details on the instruments that you want to see. You could go to historical charts, and this allows you to modify the charts. You can select candlestick, line or bar chart. Let's select bar, and you can select the time frame here, which is between 1 minute to 1 month. And here you have it. You can see the volume, and you can just navigate the charts by moving them around. When you click on this particular icon, you can look at the graph in a more 3D way. So here you have the chart section, and finally you have the orders, where you can view your current pending orders. You can view your closed positions and the news. Click on Newsreader to get more details on any news that you might find interesting. So now, the main purpose of this video is to introduce you to start taking advantage of the social trading platform. However, if you have a practice account, there is a bit of a workaround that you need to follow. So in order to follow the other traders, you first need to create a live account. So for this, we go back to the markets.com My Account section, click on Open Live Account. Let's select some data to put in. let's select the currency and fill in all the other details. And click submit. Wait for a few seconds for the account to be created. And here we have it. So now you need to click on the active account and launch the Forex web trader. Apologies, this is the practice account that I clicked on. Alright, so this is the live account. Okay, now click on social. As you can see here, the live account USD. So click on join. Choose a nickname, choose an avatar, click join. Okay, so now we've joined the network. Let's close the live account and head back to our practice account. You need to restart the practice account, so now you would be able to automatically participate in the social trading platform. Give it a few seconds to log in. And here we are. So let's click on social. Let's expand the box a bit. Yes, so here you can see the option from different traders. Someone closed the order from HSBC, bought silver. So you can basically copy the trade, and there you have it. You can also navigate to this section which is top traders, and it gives you a list of all the traders. You can also use the filter section to choose between all traders, top traders, and traders I follow. And well, this is basically all there is to the Forex web trader from markets.com. It's a very versatile platform, and it is independent of the operating system. The only disadvantage is that you would not be able to use expert advisors and other such things, but I suppose that's a bit of trade-off, because you can join the network and follow and copy the trades from other traders. So well, this is a brief demo on the markets.com Forex web trader. I hope you found it useful. In case of any questions, feel free to ask me. Thanks once again.
¡Vámonos!